Hi everyone, here I am in my beautiful sunny kitchen in isolation due to COVID-19, and my purpose today is to try and offer you some ideas on how to remain creative during our time at home. So the first lesson for this series is a pretty simple, fun thing you can do, and it is to make some leaf critters like these guys. It's very easy. You don't need much in the way of materials. All you need are some dried leaves that you pick up from your walk or from your backyard, a pen, a black pen, maybe some colored markers, and some googly eyes if you have them. If you don't have them, that doesn't matter. You can just draw your eyes. So let's get started.